Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an phi baru kini gilong ki khubor bam da kasngi sumbut menteri rang ba Sniawbhalang dar loang ba ka sarkar be alam da ka NPP kam don por ban jubab igi jing kynthoh andrei ka pellet jingbun ha ka jing shakri pat ba ka jing pentrei ki projek penroi habakran ha ka jing elang pen ko buram ya ka OTS scheme loang ba ka sarkar kala le bun ki kam ha kini ki prasnem ha ki benta kum ki surok ka kot ka khya ka puli puthi ber ka boarding electric Ulapan pauro bahani Shillong Township palat khatsan hajar Klur tingka ki projek kidangya shakmat kynthoh ya ka administrative city but knowledge city but ula kentu ya ki pat ba ban pet hi ya ki jingkla ki blasdang ban pau halor ka one time settlement OTS scheme uba dhar ula ong ba ka sarkar kla wan ra ikri ka scheme ban yarap iki pat ba ki bashakta ha ka jing e but kentu ya ki ban penun kam ya kani kala jing yarap
Shri Mary Manubad, please get ready for the stage. Next, Shri T.15 Usama on the stage. Usman, in charge with you of William Nagar. Will be honored by projek Law Islam. Shri T.P. Sharma by PW Law. Shri L. Sumer by Fundamental. Shri M. Ishla Association, which the president and secretary are here. So, give me a big round of applause, please. I urge the logistic head of JHT UMPA and the logistic head in charge.
The day now you get to correct to Tom will be. And then you driver we are very the plan to you we commit to. You will to look him. Nothing you tell that. How much become a crisis. The duty was sort out by any cut from a chap about you. Nanti dah you implementing this scheme, you di orang murmur dunia pada kai pada orang di kerja tu. Tansawah disuham dan ayat kamu ni opportunities. And give it one good demand we have it talk we kerja klub sah. Ketu dalam examine kat kawan lagi. And also the request for those vehicles with its new document. I told them we are still examining the matter, sir. I informed them. And also there is a one more very genuine demand because presently, we are imposing that fines very high. So even that also is under process of examining how to go at the minimum possible from the government side, from the transport department. Kini percangkat kalau UBM tak tu kani di anju video penyiar sebut detik memang kena oleh ini. And office dia tidak. Le somehow we cooperate with officer ini kena ngomani kulai pada ini. Ini sebab tak tu ani hari tu ikut beri ikut Islam. Even when we percangkat, even when we need your keelangan kami keelangan mungkin. Nah, satu ini bonsin kejingan orang wan bonsin kau, hati berkumpul tawan kau. Ada yang kejingan aku apa iman lagi kau ni tahu baik kita kami mungkin kamu sarkari waroi. Driver trucks kebelik truck. Hana ismenci motor kivito ivantes kon kambo state kamu nurai kon milioni klaim lebih ke state kamu kesewan na klaim lima pendak penbengi ke bame jadi kuat negeri ke state klaim truck associations na ongi bito mang bito bokro nanti dah sasar ngomong ni wa dia orang kamu ni program facility Hagati sebuah mesin bagi jual dengan chief minister orang Romeo usaha person waktu itu mungkin orang yang rat baru beli menjuk kentak iwan orang di Padang. Tahu macam tu meja social media. Nah orang ni ikhlas yang ini, nengentai yang ini, misalnya cak ini lekat rumahnya. We are here to serve you. We are here not to watch you only. Please remember, the NPP-led government is the people's government. Please see the work of the government has been done by the government for the last 8 years, especially. What we have not done, if we are talking in terms of road sector, in health sector, in power sector, in education sector, all these important sectors, but almost every department, the development is almost equally distributed. But haven't you been looking to stand where you are hal ni? Haven't you berkati ke state ni buat Dunaso Paula. Some Canada the Sniawbhalang had a last week one union minister in Sniawbhalang. Dan doon the road sector alone among Sarkar India without any kamerdeka putih jatuh tamil kalian. Why is this happening? Because our great leader who are sitting in front of us. Only one highway is more than 21,000 crore from Umrah to Silchar. That is almost that has been floated for the first 2 phases. And the news announcement we are very pleased to hear, sir. Almost 4,000 crore. Who expected such a small state like Meghalaya? And because of what? Because we have got a good chief minister and his team to work a very good atmosphere in the central government. In our in tourism sector, in every sector almost. And also, maybe in the next 2 years, we are able to complete the football stadium, one of the biggest stadium in the country, which is 40,000 capacity. Memang salah seorang ni, kebetulan aku kian. Tang stadium football gua hidup dan gua hamil kali hari akan ini. Walau tahu bakalan, jangan tahu bakalan, if I'm not wrong. Kebetulan aku baru ki artificial turf football in the whole country, if I'm not wrong. Kenyo city ko create ka man ani wongi administrative city, Baccalaureate city. Dia di penyu kaman man start ko le New Zealand. Walau after 2 and last 10-15 years we just keep talking New Zealand, nothing is happening. I didn't mean to say that the previous leadership talking, we are a teamwork. They are what see under the NPP led government. Just go to New Zealand, how you see the transformation take place as of now. More than 15,000 crore of project is under progress while I speak here. Almost how many state highways has been created during this last 8 years? How many new house for those unelectrified? Itu bihin bukan connect light. Kalau power jatuh bukan connect light kesorkan kok ini perasaan. Hai power cipti kesorkan warga kapra. Kini kau kiwatan tak connection na. Kini kau bukan hayun household. Lato bakalan mentas power jatuh nilai. Kat kamar lato. Digililak sulak tadi sedang ibu dari umayun. Kisurat po rin dari pao kagat mo kung boyaw ni. Kawin mo sa sarong buwi a national game now host kami kaliyaga in the next March I think 2027. Kawan tadi state di India state ko di Klur ng population. Hanya di start di Champang no yalam yomi. Usia mo tim yo. Prime Minister special consideration, no, I will use to make a to post national game. I will have to go through. Itu apa yang kita lihat dalam buyunya? Bukan. Religion which is menjaga tim imam bodari. There are so many bad things talk against us as a government. We have no time to listen all these negative things. We are busy working towards you. We are busy working for the people of the state. We have no time to listen to all those negative allegations against the government. Let them say whatever they say. We are here to work for the people. Not to listen to all those people who are talking nonsense on the road. We have got no time. Some media used to ask me, Mas now, how you see some people come and this and that? No. I have no time to throw a stone back at me because I'm busy working for my people. And that is exactly happened under the NPP led government under the leadership of Sir Tonet K. Saman, Sir Preston and me and the entire cabinet and the entire NPP government. Please remember, we as your leaders, we are always serious about you. Let people think whatever they say, let them think whatever they think, let them talk whatever they talk. We are not compromised at the cost of our people. And please remember also one thing before I issue my seat. The NPP leaders, we put people first, not power. Not power, please remember, we put people first. That is the NPP led government under the leadership of Sir Tonet K. Saman. Therefore, for the last 8 years, you have seen how the state moved forward. We are moving in the right direction, in the right track. Maybe not up to the mark which has been expected by our people, but I'm happy to say that we are moving in the right direction, in the right track. Thank you so much. Kubra Chukwu, yang di program UP,